In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your Windows Hello Face camera not being found on Windows 11. Let's dive into a few steps to resolve the problem when Windows Hello Face recognition displays an error stating camera not found or couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face. First and foremost, it's essential to confirm that your PC indeed supports Windows Hello Face. Bear in mind that not every webcam out there is designed to support facial recognition technology, which means your device might not be equipped to handle this feature. To verify this, you need to navigate through your settings. Start by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard simultaneously. This will bring up the settings menu. From there, click on Accounts in the sidebar and then select Sign In options. Once you're there, you should see the option for facial recognition under Windows Hello. Look closely to see if Windows reports that your hardware is compatible. If it is, you should be good to proceed with the other steps. Next, let's ensure that your camera is enabled because sometimes it might be turned off without you realizing it. Begin by pressing the Windows key and the X key together, and from the menu that appears, select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, search for the section labeled either Cameras or Imaging Devices, and click to expand this section. Take a close look to find your camera listed there. Right-click on your camera to bring up a context menu. Look for the option that says Enable Device and select it. If this option is not available, it means your camera is already enabled, so there's no need to worry about this step. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the issue, and hopefully you'll find your Windows Hello Face setup back on track. Should these initial steps not resolve the issue, it might be worth looking into additional troubleshooting measures or exploring specialized hardware or software support. That's a wrap for today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.